नमस्कारम एंड वेलकम टू ऑल द गॉर्जियस एंड ब्यूटीफुल लेडीज। स्वागत है आपका हमारे आज के एपिसोड में, जो कि है वेरी गॉर्जियस एंड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल इक्कत साड़ीज़ के बारे में। एज यू ऑल नो, दीज साड़ीज़ आर वेरी यूनिक बिकॉज ऑल द डिज़ाइंस हैव बीन वीव्ड. The pattern is weaved into the body of the sari, the border of the saris. These saris are very exclusive and I will be showing you one by one. But before that, let me wish you all a very happy Kanama. I hope you had a very prosperous, very happy festive season. Now ladies, let me first show you the sari that I'm wearing right now. This one is a gorgeous bright orange with pink color. Ikkat sari. The body has bird buttis and elephants. Style weave on the body. Extremely beautiful work. The border has Ikkat style elephants and birds in gold zari kadi along with the diamonds in gold zari. It's a contrasting pink border. And the contrasting pink pallu has birds and elephants in Ikkat style weave along with the gold zari kadi. There's a beautiful contrasting blouse for this sari, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code that is CI765. Weaver's price is 12,060 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next saree, let me just ask you your favorite colors and what colors you're looking forward to in today's episode. Just let me know your answers in the comment section down below, and that way I will show you more of your favorites, and you can place more and more orders from Vara Mahalakshmi Silks for these beautiful Ikkat sarees. Now let me show you the next one. Let's have a look at it. Another gorgeous and bright pink color Ikkat sari coming up for all the beautiful ladies. It's in a combination of pink with green, and the body for this sari has Ikkat florals all over the body. You can see the colorful bright pattern on the body. We have green and yellow color florals all over the body in Ikkat style weave. The contrasting green border has cross lines, Ikkat weave elephants, and again cross lines in gold zari. Here's the beautiful contrasting pallu. It has florals and weave jal in Ikkat style weave. I will now show you the contrasting blouse for this sari. It is in green color, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code that is BZ889. Weaver's price is 13,410 rupees, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Let's have a look at the next gorgeous sari now ladies. Let me show you the next beautiful sari, and this one is in orange and pink color. The body has cross lines, self cross lines. So you can see the body has orange and white color work over it. Very lovely contrast of colors, and here's the contrasting pink border. It has dollars in boxes, diamonds, and then peacocks in gold zari. The beautiful pallu has diamonds and peacocks in lines in gold zari. And a bright and beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code that is BZ906. Weaver's price is 20,430 rupees, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. This was a beautiful Kanchi Ikkat sari, and now let me show you the next one. This one is in blue color. A classic combination of blue with bright pink. Here's the body, which has Ikkat florals in geometrical checks. You can see the bright and beautiful work is in orange and mustard and pink color. We also have a hint of green on the body. Here's a contrasting pink border which has diamonds in gold zari, and we have elephants in Ikkat style weave. The green and pink go very well together, and the pink and blue also goes very beautifully. Now here's the contrasting pallu. It has buttis and zigzag lines in Ikkat style weave. And a gorgeous and beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code that is CE545. Weaver's price is 12,690, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now let me show you the next beautiful sari from today's collection of lovely Ikkat saris. This one is in mustard color. and we have a gorgeous and beautiful plain body. Very simple and very elegant sari. Let's have a look at the details. The mustard color goes very well with the purple color border, which has ikat peacocks and florals, and you can also see the gold zari kadi. Very bright and beautiful work. Here is our pallu. It has ikat diamonds and florals in cross checks. And a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CE513. Weaver's prices 9,180, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now I will be showing you the next classic ikat sari. Let's have a look at it together. A beautiful and gorgeous black color sari. Wow, love this, ladies. Very lovely color. On the body we have gold zari checks. And inside the zari checks we have ikat diamonds. Here's the contrasting border in pink color. It has ikat florals on the gold zari kadi. And a lovely pallu. It has ikat florals and cross checks. And here's the beautiful and gorgeous contrasting blouse. As you can see, it has zari checks over it. And to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CE542. Weaver's price is 10,080. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just welcome a very dear customer, Ms. Vaishali ji, and thank you so much for your compliment. And my name is Anjali Zedi. Now I will be showing you the next gorgeous sari. Let's have a look at it. Here's the next beautiful and elegant sari. This one is an off-white color and the body has ikat elephants and birds. The work is in sea green and pink color, which is contrasting beautifully with the off-white color body. Our border has diamonds and ikat florals, ikat birds and elephants. The diamonds are in gold zari. And a beautiful pallu which has florals and leaves over it in ikat style weave. Here's the gorgeous contrasting blouse. It's in pink color, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CE543. Weaver's price is 10,890 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let me just tell you that we provide global courier service and cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Here's the next beautiful sari, and this one is in green and pink color. Another very classic and beautiful color combination, and on the body of this one, we have ikat, florals and leaves chal. Very beautiful work on the body. Contrasting colors, lovely depth, lovely design. And the contrasting border in pink color has gold zari kadi over it. Let me now show you the pallu. It has huge swans, and we have florals in ikat style. We also have elephants. Very interesting work on the pallu. And here comes the lovely contrasting blouse. To place the item code, that is CI731. Weaver's price is 14,760 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next gorgeous sari, let's have a look at it together. Here comes the next beautiful sari, and this one is in mehendi green color. It's a very lovely color and it goes very well with pink. The body has elephants in ikat style weave. You can see the small florals which are in yellow color, which look very bright and beautiful on the mehendi green color body. And our pink color border has ikat florals and diamonds in gold zari. Here's the contrasting pallu. It has ikat elephants with gold zari lines. and a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ875. Weaver's price is 12,960 rupees. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is a very gorgeous Kanchi Ikat sari, and let me show you the details right away. It's in blue and red color, a very beautiful color combination, a very lovely pattern on the body. On the body, we have Ikat florals in cross checks. You can see the beautiful colors that have been used on the purple color body. Green and yellow contrasting beautifully. And the red color border has dollars, peacocks and elephants with florals and leaf jal and cross lines in gold zari. Here is our pallu. It has peacocks, diamonds, unicorns and florals in zari checks. All this work is in gold zari. Very interesting pattern on the pallu. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse in red color. To place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CG882. Weaver's price is 18,216. And send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to another very beautiful sari, ladies. I hope you're enjoying today's episode, which is about lovely Ikat saris. As you can see, they have lovely and very unique style patterns all over the body, which has been weaved into the fabric. And now let me show you the next sari on this note. This one is in grey color, and grey with red looks extremely classy. So on the body for the sari, we have Ikat style lines and elephants in Ikat checks. You can see the beautiful bright colors that have been used on the grey color body, contrasting beautifully with the neutral color grey. The red color border has diamonds, dollars, and then we have a marriage theme, beautiful zari work. So you can see the groom on the horse, you can see the bride in the palki. Very interesting work. It's all in gold zari, making the design even more royal. And our pallu has florals and leaf jal in gold zari. Here's the contrasting blouse for the sari, and to place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CG880. Weaver's price is 19,260, and send the screenshot to 8900010002. Ladies, keep letting me know what colors you're looking forward to in today's episode, so that I can have a look and I can show you your favorite saris, and you can place your orders right away from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Here's the next beautiful sari. This one is an off-white color and very simple and elegant work on the body. So we have Ikat florals on the body in zari checks, which are in gold zari. And the contrasting border in red color has peacocks with florals and leaf jal, diamonds, cross lines and dollars and checks. All this work in gold zari, looking very royal, very gorgeous. The pallu has zigzag lines with paisleys and florals and leaf jal in gold zari. And coming up next is the beautiful contrasting blouse. It's in red color and it has zari checks over it. To place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CI756. Weaver's price 19,800, and send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next beautiful sari, I will be showing you these simple steps. You just need to follow these steps to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about the collections, the weavers' prices and the live timings too. Moving on to it. Hi guys. Updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. And here I am back with another gorgeous sari. Let me show you this beautiful mustard with green color Ikat sari. On the body of this one, we have Ikat florals in cross checks. The use of red and green is adding a very beautiful pop of color to the mustard color body, which is already also a bright color. And the contrasting border has cross lines, ikat elephants, and again cross lines in gold sari. The pallu has floral jal in ikat style weave with zari lines in gold zari. And here's the contrasting blouse. It's in green color. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ877. Weaver's price is 13,410, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just welcome a very dear customer, Miss Jyoti ji, and thank you so much for your loving compliment. You really made my day. Guys, we really love it when you actually give us amazing compliments. It helps us to know that you're loving our collections, you're loving the lives, and so please let us know in the comment section down below that what you would want to see more in today's episode. Thank you so much again, and now let me show you the next sari. This one is a very beautiful color. It's an aqua blue with pink color sari, and on the body we have ikat florals and diamonds. You can see the bright and beautiful colors that have been used. Very interesting pattern, very interesting colors. The border is in pink color. It has temples, dollars, elephants and florals, paisleys, and then we have unicorns with florals and leaves jal. And again, there's a repetition of work here to create a balanced and beautiful design. Pallu has florals, yalis and peacocks in lines. And the gorgeous pink color contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CE550. Weaver's price is 16,929. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next very classy sari. This one is in grey and black color. Let's have a look at it. Very lovely design and the beautiful color combination. I really love this sari. It's a unique combination. So body has birds and florals and ikat weave. The birds look really pretty on the body. The black color border has gold zari kadi. We have birds with florals and ikat weave again. Such a beautiful sari. The pallu has floral jal in lines. And here's the lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order for this classic sari, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is BU743. Weaver's price is 12,960, and please send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is also a very bright and vibrant combination sari. Let's have a look at it. This one is in orange and pink color, just like the one that I'm wearing. That's the beautiful color combination. On the body we have ikat diamonds all over the body. Beautiful work, lovely colors and pattern. And here's the contrasting border. We have dollars, diamonds and peacocks in gold zari. It's a very beautiful kanchi ikat sari. The pallu has diamonds, dollars and peacocks in gold zari again. And there's a very lovely contrasting blouse. It's in pink color. To place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CI757. Weaver's price is 18,909. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just welcome a dear customer, Miss Leena ji, and thank you so much for your compliment. Thank you for loving the saris and today's collection. And yes, I absolutely love this combination of bright orange and pink too. Now let me show you the next beautiful sari. It's in green and pink, another very lovely sari. The body has ikat florals all over it. And the border in pink color has peacocks, and we have women motifs. Beautiful gold zari work is there. There are florals also. We have cross lines. Very interesting design on the border. The pallu has brocade work of paisleys over it in gold zari. And a beautiful pink color contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code that is BZ909. Weaver's price is 18,090. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next beautiful sari. Let me show you the details right away. Very beautiful color combination. This one is a violet with pink color ikat sari. And on the body we have ikat diamonds. They're creating a lovely zigzag patterns. The use of color is making the design even more interesting. The border has ikat peacocks and florals and leaves jal with gold zari kadi. And the beautiful pallu has ikat florals and diamonds. Here's a lovely contrasting blouse, and to place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code that is CG876. Weaver's price is 12,330. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now, before moving on to the next very gorgeous sari, let me welcome our dear customer, Ms. Divya ji, and thank you so much for your loving compliment. Thank you for loving the collection, and let me show you another very beautiful sari which will definitely make you love our collection more. Moving on to it. This one is in green and red color, and look at the gorgeous, interesting design over it. On the body, we have ikat elephants, very huge elephants, and we have human motifs, we have ikat florals. Isn't it very beautiful, ladies? A very statement piece sari. We have a plain border for this sari, and we have florals and leaves jal here. You can see the lovely pattern here. And the pallu has temples and florals over it. There is a beautiful contrasting blouse, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code that is CE541. Weaver's price is 16,380. And you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now let me show you the next beautiful sari in mustard and pink color, a very auspicious and beautiful color combination. Let's have a look at it. A very simple and elegant sari. On the body we have ikat florals. The pink color border has peacocks and florals and ikat style weave, and we have gold zari kadi all over it, making the design even more bright and gorgeous. The pallu has ikat florals and cross checks. And let me now show you the contrasting blouse, which is in pink color. To place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code that is CI728. Weaver's price is 9,810. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next beautiful sari is in black color. Another very gorgeous combination. Let's have a look at it. Beautiful black with blue color ikat sari. On the body we have ikat diamonds in blue and grey color. Extremely beautiful work on the body. And the border in blue color has ikat peacocks and temples with gold zari kadi. The pallu has ikat diamonds over it. And now let me show you the lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code that is CI730, Weaver's price is 9,810. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, let me just welcome a dear customer, Ms. Vinita ji, and let me just answer your query as well. Yes, these sarees are pure handloom sarees. These are silk sarees. Now let me show you the next gorgeous one. A bright pink color saree, very beautiful. On the body, it's a plain, beautiful, simple and elegant body in pink color. And then we have elephants and ikat florals in ikat boxes. Here's the green color border which has florals and leaves, jal, elephants and paisleys. Inside that we have peacocks. Then we have cross lines, all this work in gold zari. Gorgeous sari with beautiful work over it. And a lovely pallu. In the pallu, we have diamond brocade work and there are paisleys in boxes. We have peacocks in boxes and all this work is in gold zari. And here comes the lovely contrasting blouse. It's in green color, and to place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CG886. Weaver's price is 16,929. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now beautiful sarees coming up. This one is in a white color. Let me show you the details. It's a very bright saree. So we have white with black and red. So three classic colors together. We have a plain body to maintain the elegance, to maintain the simplicity. And our beautiful border has gold zari kadi and ikat florals and diamonds over it. The beautiful pallu in black color has zari lines over it with gold zari kadi. And such a beautiful contrasting blouse in black color. To place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CI727. Weaver's price is 10,800. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next beautiful classic combination saree in red and green. Let's have a look at it. Another very beautiful saree in red color and green color. The body has huge elephant motifs, we have human motifs, there are birds, florals, and all this work is in ikat weave. On the border we have florals and leaves jal in ikat weave. The pallu has temples with ikat florals, we have ikat diamonds and zari lines in gold. And coming up is the beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CI729. Weaver's price is 16,929. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next gorgeous saree, let me just thank a very dear customer, Ms. Jyoti ji, who is also loving the borders of these sarees. Yes, these sarees are very intricate, very delicate and elaborate borders too. These sarees have a lot of beautiful work, a lovely weave. So please make sure that you're placing your orders right away to avail to the weaver's prices, which are valid only for 24 hours. Here's the next beautiful saree in purple color. On the body we have ikat florals and diamonds. And the lovely magenta color border has gold zari kadi over it. Let me now show you the beautiful pallu. It has ikat florals and diamonds in zari lines. We also have a bit of gold zari. And a lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CI739. Weaver's price is 10,800 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now let me show you the next beautiful sari from today's collection of Ikat saris. Here's a beautiful sari. This one is in off-white with red color. It's a classic and elegant color combination. And on the body we have Ikat florals and diamonds. Beautiful work in such bright and lovely colors. Look at the intricate weave. Look at how perfect the design is. And imagine this weave has been weaved into the sari. The lovely pattern has been weaved into the body, the fabric of the sari. The border in red color has elephants with paisleys and peacocks, florals and leaves shawl and cross lines, and again florals and leaves shawl in gold zari. The pallu has elephants with peacocks, florals and leaves shawl. We have cross lines with peacocks and florals, and all this beautiful work is in gold zari. Let me now show you the lovely contrasting blouse, and to place an order for this sari, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CI753. Weaver's price is 19,260 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, since so many of you are loving the sari that I'm wearing right now, and Shubhata ji also wants to see the detail of the sari that I'm wearing, I will share it one more time. This one is in orange color. The body has elephants and birds over it in ikat weave. The border has ikat elephants and birds and florals with diamonds and gold zari. We have gold zari kadi as well. And the pallu has birds and elephants in ikat weave and gold zari kadi. There's a contrasting blouse for the sari in pink color, and to place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CI765. Weaver's price is 12,060, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, let me show you the next beautiful sari from today's collection of Ikat sari. Here it is, and this one is in blue color. Blue with red goes so well. It's a very bright and lovely color combination. The body has ikat florals all over it in very beautiful and bright colors. The border has diamonds, ikat elephants and gold zari kadi. Pallu has ikat florals all over it. Look at the beautiful organic design on the pallu. Very colorful, very delicate and intricate design. And here is our contrasting blouse. It's in red color. To place an order, you just need to take a screenshot with the item code, that is CG867. Weaver's price is 12,060 rupees. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next sari, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about the collections, our weavers' prices and live timings too. Here it is.
సో ఇప్పుడే నేను కంచిపురం వరమహాలక్ష్మి సిల్క్ స్టోర్కి వచ్చానండి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అనమాట. ఇక్కడ శారీ కలెక్షన్ కానీ ప్రైసింగ్ రేంజ్ కానీ చాలా 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 బాగుంది. సో ఎప్పటికప్పుడు లైవ్ అప్డేట్స్ని అండ్ ఆఫర్స్ని మిస్ కాకూడదంటే డూ ఫాలో కంచి విఎంఎల్ సిల్క్స్.
Now I'm going to show you another very beautiful sari from today's collection of Ikat sari ladies. I hope you're enjoying the episode because I am totally loving to show the saris that I'm showing you today. These saris are so gorgeous in such vibrant colors with beautiful design, lovely zari work, lovely Ikat weave. Let me now show you the next one. You will totally love this one also because this one is very elegant. We have a plain body, very simple and elegant design. It's an orange color plain body. The border in maroon color has ikat florals and peacocks with gold zari kadi. And the beautiful pallu has elephants and parrots in lines. Here's the lovely contrasting blouse, and to place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is BZ872. Weaver's price is 9,180 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next beautiful sari, let me just answer a query by the beautiful customer Ratna Prabha ji. So you want to know that if this blouse is available, the one that I'm wearing right now, yes, it's a very gorgeous blouse and it's by R for Rupamani. You can check out this collection whenever you visit Varamahalakshmi Silks. Now let me show you the next gorgeous sari. This one is in green and pink color, another very lovely and classic combination. The body has ikat florals in pink and white color. Very classy design. The border in pink color has peacocks and florals with gold zari and temples too. Here is our pallu. It has ikat florals and diamonds and cross checks. And a beautiful contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CI764. Weaver's price is 8,865, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. I would like to answer the query by Ms. Ratna Prabhaji one more time. So you can also take the screenshot of this blouse and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. We will definitely help you out. Now let me show you the next bright and beautiful orange with pink color ikat sari. The body has ikat florals in such bright and gorgeous colors. The beautiful pink border has florals and peacocks in boxes. We have temples, diamonds, peacocks with elephants and florals and leaves, jars, dollars in boxes, cross lines. And again, a repetition of work is there to create a very balanced and beautiful design. Here's our pallu. It has diamonds over it, beautiful diamond brocade work. And a very lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CG885. Weaver's price is 19,260 rupees. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just welcome a very dear customer, Miss Meghna ji, and thank you so much for your compliment. Thank you for loving the saris. Yes, I also love the sari that you're talking about, and I will definitely try to show you the one that you want to see. But if I am not able to show you your favorite, your particular specific sari today, you can always take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call at your time of convenience and show you the beautiful gorgeous saris that you want to see, whichever color, whatever price range. Now let me show you the next one. This one is also in blue and orange. Blue and pink color, just like the blue and orange one. And let me show you the body. Body has peacocks and florals and ikat style weave in circles. Very beautiful work on the body. The border has gold zari kadi. Our pallu has elephants and parrots and lines. Beautiful ikat work. And let me now show you the lovely contrasting blouse. It's in pink color. To place an order, you just need to take a screenshot with the item code, that is BU722. Weaver's price is 12,960. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Coming up next is a very extremely beautiful and gorgeous ikat sari. Let me show you the details. Have a look at the lovely design over it. First of all, the color is so beautiful. It's an aqua blue color ikat sari. and the body has cranes over it. You can see the cranes are flying. There are some cranes alongside the pond. Lovely ikat style weave. Very interesting. Our border has gold zari kadi over it. And our pallu has ikat elephants with florals and leaves jal with zari lines. Look at the beautiful intricate design. Such detailed ikat weave. Very interesting. I love the sari and the color of it. And here's the contrasting blouse. It's in pink color. To place an order, you just need to take a screenshot with the item code, that is CI743. Weaver's price is 16,929 rupees. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 Our next saree is also a very classic one. Let me show you the details right away. An off-white with red color ikat saree. So we have a plain body. The saree looks extremely elegant and simple and classic. Then we have ikat weave cross lines in black color and horses with ikat florals. Here is our pallu. It has ikat horses with gold zari kadi and gold zari lines. And let me now show you the contrasting blouse, which is in red color. To place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CI732. Weaver's price is 12,960 rupees. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 Now moving on to next beautiful and elegant, gorgeous saree. Let me show you the color and the design. It's a red with pink color ikat saree. It's a beautiful color combination on the body. We have floral buttees. The border has ikat peacocks and florals with gold zari kadi. And our pallu has ikat florals and cross checks in bright and beautiful color palette. Here is our contrasting blouse, and to place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CG869. Weaver's price is 9,810. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 Before moving on to the next saree, let me just thank our very dear customer, Ms. Jyoti ji. Thank you for your compliment, and I also love that saree so much. Please make sure that you're placing the order right away to avail to the Weaver's prices, valid only for 24 hours. It's a very exclusive and very unique saree, so do not miss out on that one. Moving on to the next one. Here's a bright orange with blue color ikat saree. Body has ikat, florals and leaves jal. Very beautiful, colorful pattern all over the body. We also have dancing dolls here. You can see the beautiful bright work on the body. And here's the blue color border, which has elephants and ikat florals over it with gold zari kadi. The pallu has peacocks with florals and leaves jal in ikat style weave. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse in blue color. To place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CG872. Weaver's price is 14,751. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 Before moving on to the next saree, let me just welcome a dear customer, Ms. Ranjana ji. Thank you so much for joining us today, and you're absolutely right. Today's collection is very beautiful because, of course, our ladies are beautiful, so beautiful sarees for all of them. And let me now show you the next gorgeous saree. This one is on also white color, so I think you might like it. And we have self lines on it. It's an off-white and grey color ikat saree. Such elegant and classic one. Love how contemporary it looks. combining tradition and a contemporary style. The border has ikat lines on it, self lines on it. And the pallu has ikat florals and cross checks. Here's a contrasting blouse. It has ikat diamonds over it, and to place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CG878. Weaver's prices 12,690. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to our next gorgeous sari, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about the collections, our weavers' prices, live timings too. Let me show it to you. Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. I'm back and let me now show you the next beautiful sari. This one is in blue and pink color, and we have ikat diamonds on the body in different colors. Simple, elegant and lovely work on the body. Our border has peacocks and florals in ikat style with gold zari kadi. Such bright and beautiful border for a lovely blue sari. This is our pallu, which has ikat elephants and ikat birds with gold zari kadi and gold zari lines. And a very pretty pink color contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CI748. Weaver's price is 9,810. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now let me show you the next gorgeous green color ikat sari. Let's have a look at the details. This gorgeous green sari has ikat florals on the body. And the blue color border has ikat parrots with florals. Such gorgeous work, isn't it? We also have gold zari kadi. It's a lovely border. The color, the design, everything is very aesthetic, very gorgeous. The pallu has ikat diamonds in cross checks. Let me now show you the beautiful contrasting blouse in blue color, and to place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code, that is CI741. Weaver's price is 9,108 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Coming up next is a very gorgeous and bright orange color sari. Let's have a look at it. Orange and blue color, very gorgeous color combination, and on the body we have ikat florals in white and blue color, contrasting beautifully. The border has peacocks and florals in ikat style with temples. We also have gold zari kadi. The pallu has ikat florals in cross checks. And here comes the beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, you just need to take a screenshot with the item code, that is CG873. Weaver's price is 9,810. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now let me show you next beautiful sari. This one is in green and pink color, very gorgeous combination. Let's have a look at it together. A gorgeous green sari is here for you. On the body, we have ikat cross lines. And then we have kadi with elephants and peacocks with florals. So the elephants with peacocks are in ikat style weave, while the gold zari kadi is here on the pink color border. Very beautiful pattern is there. It's a lovely, gorgeous border in pink color. A contrasting border for your green sari. Here's the pallu. It has huge peacocks and swans over it in ikat style weave with the gold zari lines. And let me now show you the lovely contrasting blouse. It's in pink color, and to place an order for this saree, just take a screenshot with the item code that is BZ876. Weaver's price is 14,760. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now, my dear beautiful ladies, since we are done with these sarees, I will be showing you the sarees that are draped on the mannequin, so that you can have a look, you can understand how gorgeous you will look when you drape it on yourself, and with your beautiful smile, of course, you will glow in it. So let me first show you the first one. This one is in light green and royal blue color and has a plain body. Plain body means more simplicity and elegance. The blue color border has ikat florals and peacocks with gold zari kadi. Our pallu has ikat peacocks over it, and a beautiful contrasting blouse in blue color. To place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code that is CI745. Weaver's price is 9,180. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to another very beautiful saree. This one is in navy blue color, and on the body we have huge elephants in ikat weave, along with the ikat style lions and peacocks with florals and leaves jal. A lot of beautiful work is going on the body of the saree. We also have human motifs. The border has ikat florals and leaves jal. And the pallu has ikat florals over it. A contrasting blouse is there for your lovely saree. And to place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code that is CI740. Weaver's price is 17,622. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before moving on to the next saree, let's take blessings from the divine goddess to have an amazing week starting tomorrow and a very auspicious shopping experience from Varamahalakshmi Silks this festive season. And here's the next saree. It's in yellow and green color, and the body has ikat diamond buttis. Colorful work on the body in green and red colors. Border has ikat florals and ikat peacocks with the gold zari kadi. The pallu has ikat florals and diamonds over it. And there's a contrasting blouse in green color. To place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code that is CE509. Weaver's price is 9,090. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. And here's the last saree for today's episode. Another very gorgeous and beautiful blue with magenta color ikat saree. On the body we have ikat florals. And you can see the 3 different patterns on the border, very interesting. So we have florals, diamonds, cross lines in gold zari and ikat triangles. We have 3 different colors and 3 different patterns on the border, making the saree very interesting. The pallu has elephants and cross lines, and there's a beautiful contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order, just take a screenshot with the item code that is BZ879. Weaver's price is 12,960, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Make sure you're placing your orders right away because the Weaver's price is valid only for 24 hours. So my gorgeous ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, which was about very beautiful ikat sarees. We tried to show you so many different variations in colors, designs and price ranges too. Please make sure to place your orders right away because the Weaver's prices are valid only for 24 hours. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and also keep giving us a lot of love and a lot of your support too. Namaskaram.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ని చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi VML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. and you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.